The journey of late Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah from outside the shores of this country to Abuja, where he attended the last valedictory session held in his honor. It was Newlife Funeral, conveying him from one point to the other as he took the final bow at Senate. From the National Assembly, Abuja, he was moved to the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, where he was flown to the Chinua Achebe International Cargo Airport by United Nigeria Airline. Then the journey proceeded from the Chinua Achebe International Airport to his hometown, Nnewi. Still, it was Newlife Funeral Homes, doing what they know how to do best. Yes, indeed, Senator Dr. Patrick Ifeanyi Ubah was in good hands. Good night, Nnewi, the man who will be remembered in years to come for his doggedness and commitment to Nnewi people and his constituency in general. And to Ebubechukwu, I say good night. Good night as you embark on this eternal journey. Anambra will miss you. Nnewi will miss you. Nigeria at large will miss you. The Igbos in general will miss you. Mana nyadeba, ifemelu emego. Agajezi ogube chukwu. Hey, onwa atu aka egbe buru odogwu Nnewi jeje mba. Odogwu Anambra ji ego. Mana nyadeba. Ngala Igbo na-asị eje nke ọma.